Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new poem, Unit 5, Zoo Manners. Student, do you know what is the meaning of zoo? Zoo का मतलब पता है आपको क्या है? Yes, zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept. And manners means how we should behave. Okay, each animals and each birds are special in their shape, size and colors. In this poem, we'll talk about different animals and birds and how should we behave when we visit the zoo. जब हम लोग zoo देखने जाते हैं, what things we should do? First, we should follow the rules of the zoo. Second, we should not tease the animal. We should always be kind to the animals. In this poem, we will talk about different animals like camel, like chimpanzee and penguins. We will talk about different animals. So, be careful what you say or do. Students, whenever we are visiting the zoo, we should always be careful whatever we are saying or doing. When you visit the animals at the zoo, we should always be careful. First, we will talk about camel. Have you seen camel? आपने कभी camel को देखा है? Yes, camel is a desert animal. What is the meaning of desert? टीचर डेजर्ट का मतलब? Yes, desert is a place जहाँ सैंडी सैंड होता है, रेती रेत होती है. Camel is found there. Do you know student? Camel has a hump on his body. Camel को एक hump होता है. Camel has a hump on its body where it stores water, and it is also known as bump. He is very proud of it. So here it is written, don't make fun of the camel's hump. Students, we should not make fun of the camel's hump. हमको जो camel का hump होता है उसका मजाक बनाना चाहिए नहीं, because he is very proud. उसको proud है. जो camel का hump होता है वो कौन से shape का होता है? Bump के shape का होता है. And he is very proud of it. And students, one thing more, camel जैसा भी है, he is very happy with it. So we should not make fun of it. Now, secondly, we will talk about chimpanzee. Have you seen chimpanzee? Chimpanzee को आपने देखा है? Yes, chimpanzee is like a monkey. वो monkey की तरह होता है. Its body is covered with black और brown hairs. उसकी वो पूरी body पे black और brown hairs होते हैं, except hair hands पे, face पे और feet पे. It has long ears but no tail. उसको long ears होते but उसको tails होती नहीं है. Now look here. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. You should not laugh at the chimpanzee. हमको chimpanzee पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए. He think he is as wise as you or me. So what he is thinking? He is thinking himself to be intelligent like human being. Now we will talk about penguins. Have you seen penguins? Yes, penguins are found in the cold region and near the sea. So penguin eats, वो क्या खाते? Fish. So and the penguins strutting around the lake. Student, do you know what is the meaning of strutting? Strutting मतलब penguins always walk straight, ऐसे सीधे ही चलते. Around the lake मतलब ऐसे straight lake के आजू बाजू वो लोग ऐसे गोल गोल घूमते हैं. So penguins always walk एकदम straight around the lake. Can understand remark you make. Can understand remark you make means वो लोग सब समझते हैं जैसे आप लोग remarks बनाते हो, whatever how you are treating them. So treat them as well as they do you. We should always treat them in a good way, in good manners. अपने को हमेशा उनके साथ कैसा बिहेव करना चाहिए? गुड करना चाहिए. जैसे हम उनके साथ अच्छा बिहेव करेंगे, they will also behave nicely with us, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. वो आपका हमेशा क्या करेंगे, वेलकम करेंगे जू में. So now I will read the poem. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. Students, what you have learned from this poem? आपने ये से क्या सीखा? Yes, we have learned that we should always be kind to the animals. We should not tease them. Okay, now I will start with new words. New words. Number first is zoo. As I told you, zoo is a place where animals and birds are kept. Second number is careful. Careful. Careful मतलब ध्यान रखना. Third number is manners. Manners. As I told you, manners means to behave in a good way. Third number is hump. Hump. Hump means, as I told you, camels के जो रेस्ट पार्क होता है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Hump. Students, this is a very big word. See here. How we will pronounce? We will divide these words into 3 parts. First we will say CHIM, chim. Then we will say PAN, pan. And then we will say ZEEZ. Now we will say together chim, pan, z. Okay? Now students, we will start with our next exercise. Complete the lines of the poem. Now in complete the lines of the poem, only first 10 lines are asked. So now we will start. Be careful what you say or do. And at the end of the sentence, if there is full stop, we have to put full stop. And if there is comma, we have to put comma. Now next line. When you visit the animals at the zoo. What we will write? At the zoo. Now there is full stop. So we have to put full stop. Next line. Don't make fun. First letter should be capital. Of the camels. Apostrophe S. Hump. Next line is, he is very proud of his, first letter should be capital, of his noble bump. And at the end we will put full stop. Next line is, don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. Chim, E-N, Z-E-E-Z, chimpanzee. Thank you.